So yeah, that will give a long burn. So this will see it's 4:42 Eastern, and this will make a nice bed of coals for later. So then we can stick some more wood in there, and then stick one of those other round pieces right on top, and we won't have to get up in the middle of the night, and our furnace should not click on. Blower motor's going. So it helps to rake your coals into the front, open up your dampers, open your door. Sometimes they'll spark, but they don't always. So that's got a nice draft going. We are expecting snow here in the Adirondacks of 5 to 12 inches, with a possible other 1 to 2 on top of that. But we probably won't get the extra 1 to 2, so we're looking at anywhere from 5 to 12. Either way, even if it's 5, doesn't matter whether it's 5 or 12, it still needs to be cleared. So we'll have to use the graphite lube on the doors and on these so they don't squeak. Having a bellow is nice. I didn't have to use the newspaper, but I didn't want to be here long showing y'all. So I cheated and used 3 pieces of paper. All right. Well, we're going to get this ramped up, and y'all have a good night. I just wanted to show you guys with a smaller version of what I would do for nighttime, but that's a smaller version. For nighttime, there'd be much larger pieces of wood and a bigger circular stump piece. All right. Y'all have a great night. God bless.